Hello everyone, welcome to solve this problem x cubed which is equal to 1. X, find the value of x for this equation. So let's go to the solution. So in first step, let's record the problem, which is x cubed which is equal to 1, and also let's bring this one into the left hand side for rearrangement. So x cubed minus 1 which is equal to 0. Now from this equation we can notice that a power of any number x is always 1, where x is an element of a real number. So if x is, let's take, if x is equal to 3, then 1 the power of 3 is 1. So we can express this as x cubed minus 1 cubed which is equal to 0. So from here, this equation is a difference of 2 cubed, so which is in the form of a cubed minus b cubed, which is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So this will be x cubed minus 1 cubed which is equal to x minus 1 times x square plus 1x plus 1 square. So x cubed which is equal to 0 here. So x cubed minus 1 cubed which is equal to x minus 1 times x squared plus x plus 1 which is equal to 0. So here we have x minus 1 times x squared plus x plus 1 which is equal to 0. So we have x minus 1 which is equal to 0, and we have x squared plus x plus 1 which is equal to 0. So we have two cases. For this case, x is equal to 1, and also for this case we have a quadratic equation, and a which is equal to 1, b which is equal to 1, and c which is equal to 1. And let's solve for x for the second case. That is x squared plus x plus 1 which is equal to 0. By using a quadratic equation, x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2 times of a. So x which is equal to minus b is 1 plus or minus the square root of b square is at 1 square minus 4 times 1 times 1 divided by 2 times 1. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 minus 4 divided by 2. And x which is equal to minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 minus 4 which is minus 3 divided by 2. And x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus the square root of minus 1 times 3 divided by 2. So from here we know that minus 1 is equal to the square root of minus 1 is equal to I. So x will be minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 3 times I divided by 2. So our solution is x2, which is equal to minus 1 over 2 plus the square root of 3 over 2I, and x3 is equal to minus 1 over 2 minus the square root of 3 divided by 2I. So previously we have x1, which is equal to 1. So from here we have one real solution. That's the real solution. A real solution. And here we have two complex solutions. Complex solution. So our final solution for x cubed minus 1, which is x cubed, which is equal to 1, are x1, which is equal to 1, x2, which is equal to minus 1 over 2 plus the square root of 3 over 2I, and x3, which is equal to minus 1 over 2 minus the square root of 3 over 2I. So this one real solution, and this the two x2 and x3 are complex solution. And also we can graph this solution on a complex plane. So graph on complex plane, on complex so we have a complex plane which is like this. So we have real and we have imaginary part, that we have modulus plus argument. Sorry, so we have modulus here and we have modulus here, and also we have an argument. But for this case, let's plot and indicate the points. So we have a real solution that's a modulus x1, so which is equal to 1, so which is a distance from the origin. So let's say it's x1 is equal to 1, and for x2 we have a real part minus 1 over 2. So we have here, let's say here it is minus 1, and here it is minus 1 over 2, here it is minus 1 over 2, and here we have 1 over 2, and here we have 1. So for x2 minus 1 over 2, we have minus 1 over 2, and that's the imaginary part, root 3 over 2, almost 0.6 something. So it will be here, it will be somewhere else here. So it is x2, and also for x3, we have minus 1 over 2, we have minus 1 over 2 here, we have minus 1 over 2 here, and also we have minus root 3 over 2, which is around here. So there is a point, so it is x3. So if we draw a circle, it touches 3 points. It touches the 3 points. When we draw the circle, we have this, so it will touch these points, it will touch these 3 points. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.